Good day, class. Want to discuss about circular motion today, and I'll be starting my first class on circular motion with an example. For you to solve problems on circular motion, you must know the concept called acceleration, centripetal acceleration, the angular velocity, the linear velocity, and the centripetal force. So today I want to solve by calculating the problem on the board. Look at it. A body moves along a circular path with uniform angular speed of 0.6 radian per second and at a constant speed of 3 meters per second. Calculate the acceleration of the body towards the center of the circle. So we solve that by giving 0.6 radian per second. That's the angular speed. We call it omega. That's 0.6 radian per second. At a constant speed, that's our linear velocity. That's 3 meters per second. We have to calculate the acceleration. So acceleration has two formulas. The first one is acceleration v squared over r. And acceleration is also omega squared r. But you notice that in these two formulas, we are given the angular velocity, but no radius in the question. We are given the linear velocity, but no radius in the question. But we can calculate our radius by velocity is omega r. So we can now calculate our radius since we know the linear velocity. So radius will be linear velocity over omega. So our radius will be, our linear velocity is 3. Our omega, that angular velocity, is 0.6. So if you do this very well, you have 3 over 6 over 10. That will give you 3 times 10 over 6. If you divide it very well. So 3 here 1, 3 is 2, 2 here 1, 2 in 10, 5. So our radius is 5 meters. Now that we know our radius to be 5 meters, we can go back to the formula of any of the two. So our acceleration will be v squared over r. That will give you, our v squared now is 3 times 3. Our radius, which we have calculated, is 5. So that will give you 3 times 3, 9 over 5. So we are dividing by 5. Just multiply the numerator by 2 and divide by 10. So that will give you 9 times 2, 18 over 10. So that's the first way of dividing by any number by 5. Multiply the numerator by 2 and divide it by 10. So that will give you 18 over 10 is 1.8 meter per second squared. See you in my next video. Bye!